Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
Hello everyone. Today we're drawing and coloring a cute penguin enjoying a sunny day at the beach. Grab your marker and let's get started. Let's begin by drawing our penguin friend. Start with a round shape for the head and make his nose and eyes. Draw an oval shape for the body. And wings on each side and some feet at the bottom.
Whoa!
Draw a beach umbrella with a stick coming out from behind the penguin. Let's add some details to make the scene more fun.
Impressive. Exhilarating.
Draw a line for divide sky and ground. And don't forget some wavy lines in the background to show the ocean.
Excellent.
Next, draw a bright sun in the sky with pointy rays. Go over your lines to make them bold and clear. Once you're happy with your penguin and beach setup, wow! Our cute penguin drawing is ready.
Wow! Wow!
Now time to add colors. Color the penguin's body a deep blue and leave the belly white. The beak and feet will be bright yellow to give them some pop.
Uh-oh.
Whoa! Make a simple shadow bottom at the feet.
Oh!
Now let's bring the whole scene to life for the umbrella. I used red and middle side. I used tinny green.
Wow.
Warm yellow I use for color the santan shade.
Okay. Uh-oh.
I use cyan for seawater.
Yeah!
with sun bright orange.
Yay! Yay!
Finally, use blue for the sky and waves.
Yahoo!
Shocking!
I hope you enjoy drawing and coloring the penguin with me.
Yes!
Surprising!
Don't forget to subscribe with me on YouTube using Tiny Hands Art.
Okay. Okay.
And as always, hit that like button if you had fun, subscribe for more art tutorials, and leave a comment below with what you'd like me to draw next. See you in the next video.